A well-balanced plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients needed for a healthy lifestyle, including protein, which is vital for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. While many people associate protein primarily with animal products, there are numerous plant-based foods that are rich in protein and can effectively meet dietary needs. These foods are not only high in protein, but also packed with other essential nutrients, making them excellent choices for anyone looking to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. In this guide, we will explore protein-rich foods that are must-haves for any plant-based diet. These foods offer diverse flavors and textures, making it easy to incorporate them into a variety of meals and ensuring that you never get bored with your dietary options. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based eater or just starting to explore this lifestyle, these protein-packed foods will help you meet your nutritional goals while enjoying delicious and satisfying meals. Let's dive deeper into each of these protein-rich plant-based foods. Lentils. It contains about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. Besides being high in protein, lentils are rich in fiber, iron, and folate. They promote digestive health, support muscle growth, and help maintain a healthy heart. Lentils are extremely versatile and can be used in soups, stews, curries, salads, and even as a base for veggie burgers. Chickpeas. Chickpeas contains around 14.5 grams of protein. Chickpeas are also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help in regulating blood sugar levels, improving digestion, and providing satiety. Chickpeas can be used to make hummus, added to salads, roasted for a crunchy snack, or included in stews and curries. Quinoa. Approximately 8 grams of protein per cooked cup. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It is also high in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin E. Quinoa can be used as a base for salads, in grain bowls, as a side dish, or even in breakfast porridge. Tofu. Tofu contains approximately 10 grams of protein per half cup serving. Tofu is rich in protein and contains all essential amino acids. It also provides a good amount of calcium, iron, and magnesium. Tofu can be grilled, stir-fried, added to soups, blended into smoothies, or used as a meat substitute in a variety of dishes. Tempeh. About 15 grams of protein per half cup serving. Tempeh is another soy product that is fermented, which makes it easier to digest. It is also rich in probiotics, which promote gut health. Tempeh has a firm texture and can be sliced, marinated, and grilled, crumbled into salads, or used in sandwiches and stir-fries. Black beans. Approximately 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. Black beans are high in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron, phosphorus, and magnesium. They support heart health, improve digestion, and help in managing blood sugar levels. Black beans can be used in soups, stews, salads as a base for veggie burgers, or in Mexican dishes like burritos and tacos. Chia seeds. About 4.7 grams of protein per ounce. Chia seeds are not only high in protein but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, and various micronutrients. They help in reducing inflammation, promoting heart health, and aiding in digestion. Chia seeds can be sprinkled on top of smoothies, mixed into oatmeal or yogurt, used in baking, or made into chia pudding by soaking them in liquid. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure you get sufficient protein while enjoying a variety of flavors and textures.